Welcome on Easy Learning. Now we are going to cover next question of BPY 004 Religion of the World. Question number 4C. What are the Mahapanka Vrat of Jainism? It may be Pansa or it may be Panka. Okay, so you can pronounce in your own comfortable way. Answer. Mahapancha Vrat. Actually, it would be Pancha, but it is given Pancha. Okay, so there was a spelling, you should try to correct them. Okay, so Mahapancha Vrat has been taken from Sanskrit word Vrat, whose origin is from VRI, meaning to select or choose. It includes non-violence, ahimsa, truthfulness, satya, non-stealing, asatya, chastity, brahmacharya, non-possession, non-attachment. It is apgriha. Next, first is the non-violence, ahimsa. It is based on love and kindness for all living beings. In Jainism, it does not denote a negative virtue. It depends on the positive quality of universal love and compassion. According to Jainism, all living things, whether they are small, large, or they develop with various spirituality, are equal. In this way, living things does not have a right to kill, harm, injure any other living being, including animals, insects, and plants. Truth, Satya. One who has conquered greed, fear, anger, jealousy, ego, frivolity can speak the truth. Non stealing. It is Acharya, Acharya, or Ashleya, Asleya. One should not have others' property and belongings by unjust or immoral method. Even she should view, okay, not to observe others' belongings or property very strictly. She should not touch even a worthless thing which does not belong to himself or herself. Next is celibacy, chastity. It is called brahmacharya. One needs to abstain from sensual pleasure as it sets aside all virtues and reasons at the time of indulgence. This vow of controlling, VOW, vow, okay. Actually, this word was also vow. Even she should vow, VOW, not view. So here it is also vow. This vow of controlling sensuality is very difficult to observe in a strict sense. One may refrain from physical indulgence, but may still think of the pleasure of sensualism despite prohibition in Jainism. Non-attachment, non-possession, aparigrah, okay, it is aparigrah, Aparigrah. Jainism takes seriously the acquisition of possession and wealth. They believe that it leads to commit sin and continuously result in greed, jealousy, selfishness, ego, hatred, violence, etc. They say that there is not limit of want and desire, and only sky is the limit for them.